weekly chart natin kay Bitcoin, yung parallel channel natin, of course, nandyan pa rin yan. And we have our box. Look at this. We have our box. Nandun tayo sa lower portion ng box. We have our trend line support and our T5 blue line support sa weekly. So there is a possibility na mag-bounce po yan. First time yan tinatouch sa weekly. So there's a possibility that you'll see a bounce from here. Meaning to say, the price will most likely not close on a weekly sa ilalim nitong blue line. Of course, it can wick. Pwede siyang tumulo sa baba, pero weak lang siya. Kita suhugutin din paakyat. With that being said, ano yung mga trading opportunities na pwede gawin? Okay, so remember, tatlong support yan ha, tas weekly pa. For me, that's a strong support. That's a strong support and there's a possible bounce. Ito po ang mga scenarios. Baba tayo sa daily time frame. Alright? Sa daily time frame, kung tatagusin kan today, tomorrow, pwede kang bumaba dito sa yellow line ni T5 which is at 81 but I think that's too steep. Pwede ka rin kumuha ng support dito. Ito yung mga pwedeng pagtuluan ng week ha. Okay? This is your Fibonacci retracement levels, 86.5 and 80K level. Ibig sabihin po, mga titos and titas, kung tumama yan dyan sa 86.5, let's say Sabado, Linggo, 86.5. Okay? Expect mo pagdating ng Lunes, malaki yung possibility na huhugutin yan, isasampa ka ulit dito sa trend line, isasampa ka ulit doon sa blue line, which is around 91. Okay? So kung tutulo man siya. Kasi Tuesday pa lang tayo ngayon eh. Kung sasagarin niya to, let's say 86, tapos sagarin pa niya ng 79, 80K level, psychological level, come Monday, there is a possibility na hugutin yan. Okay? So dito po, most likely maraming nakaabang. Most likely, yung mga hindi nakikinig dito at bara-bara mag-trade, nag-short na yan, marami na naman mali-liquidate. Probably come next week, what we're going to see are short liquidations naman. So ito po, strong support for me. So most likely, yung theory natin that Bitcoin will just go sideways, 90 to 106K level, nandiyan pa rin, still in happy.